Write a function to add any two numbers. We want to give a function which we are going to call addition. This function, if you give two numbers to it, it will add them together to give you 7. That's what we want to do. How do you do that? Everything here is similar to procedure with little difference. Please, if you have not watched the video on procedure, please try and watch the videos first before you come here, because there's so many things I explain in procedure that I'm not going to explain here because I don't want to repeat myself. Thank you for doing that. Now let's continue. The first thing we do is we define the delimiter. I already explained the reason why in procedure. This is the delimiter we want to use to construct our function. This is the one we are going to use when we finish our function. We want to use the normal one, but this is the one we are using now. I've already explained this one in details of that procedure. The next thing you should do is to create the function by giving it a name. Declare it as addition, for instance. Then, what are the inputs? A and B will be my input. What type of data is A? A is a float. What of B? B is also a float. Okay. Is it going to return anything? Yes. I want it to return something for me. And whatever is returned, it should be in decimal. What type of decimal? 9 digit, 2 decimal place. But note that this one is not returned. It says returns. Please note this, returns. Okay. Then the next thing now, I don't want to put that here yet. I will explain the reason why I'm avoiding it. I will come back to it. As we've seen in procedure, we say begin, end. And once you end it now, to show this is the end, you put this your what? Delimiters, which is this. Okay. Whatever you are starting, if we add this together, where is the system going to put the result? So we have to declare that. So we declare C for that. C will be the location where it will what? Put them. And it will be in decimal, and the decimal will be 92. The next one is the engine, where the calculation will be done. The calculation will be C equals to this A plus B. A plus B. Okay? But this one cannot go like this. What we use is a set, because you have declared it here, you have to set it here. But when you declare it here, you have to close this one, this line. Okay? You close the line before you continue with this. But once you finish calculating, you need to what? Return the value. So return. The normal return, not returns. Return. They're different. This is return. This is returns. Okay? After you've done that, you hand it now. Okay? You hand it here. But something is remaining. Something is remaining. What is that is remaining? Is here. We call it what? Deterministics. Very important. Okay? Very important. Also, close this one. Close this. You close this with this and this. It's because of this one we generated this one. I've already explained the reason in procedure. If you don't put this, for instance, let's see the result, what will give to us. Let's see if we can have error from this place. Let's click. Yeah, it's telling us this function has none of deterministic, no SQL, no read SQL data. These three must be defined whenever what you are defining a function. So I prefer deterministic. Whenever you want to do this, put deterministic so that you will not have error. Now I can click now, completed. You see, completed. So what we have done this, we now go ahead now to call this function. How do we call the function? Select addition. Let's put two values. Let's say 4 and 10. What are you expecting? We expect 14. See, in float, because we define it as float. That decimal. if I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I say add it to this one. Out of range value for column C. That's what I want to have. I want to have error because when I was defining this, I made the decimal 92. But here now I'm giving more than equal to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's drop it again. Same error. Okay, let me remove 1. Same error, out of range. Let me remove 1. Good. Why? Because if you count this, you have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when we are defining it today, we have specified that this place should be what? 9. Okay? Because what we are defining it, we say, okay, the first thing we said is the whole thing will be 9 and in 2 decimal place. Or the number of digits altogether, 9 digits in 2 decimal place. So if you go out of range, you will be disciplined. Let me use that word. It will not allow you. That's why I made sure that it was out of range. If I put any one figure, it will not go. Error. But anything less than altogether 9 is okay. I've done that. Let me do like 400 plus 450. It's 850. See, our function is working perfectly. Hope you are enjoying this topic. Let's move straight to the next challenge.